Hi. Orpiva is an AI frontier company solving some of the most complex problems on e-commerce. So where it all started, it started with this picture. And most of you've seen probably this picture, which there was a lot of controversy, like Kim Kardashian calling it like it's a visual trick. And I was actually, as an AI scientist at the time, working on one of the most complex issues, autonomous navigation inside the body and mapping and understanding about the textures, inside the sort of doing keyhole surgery sort of, procedures and, doing autonomous robotic navigation outside, giving the patient access to, to physicians from anywhere in the world. Actually, I was wondering, like, what's this all about? And where some people saw it as like, gold and white, and some people saw it as blue and black. So I thought, that's my curiosity started with this, and I was exploring this further. And to add to this problem, as a human, MIT research done, as a human combined, we can name 1,364 colors, like, sushi green, red Ferrari, and others. And this shows you that human perception towards colors, such a simple concept, is different. And even further looking down on some of the sort of fundamental problem, some of the studies shows up to 70% of the data is wrong, either tagged incorrectly or it's perceived differently from the human perspective. So we were looking fundamentally how we can sort of change the way we sort of shop, and what's the sort of process for creating the perfect experience. Because the current experience is somehow broken, and we have, with some of the retailers, we have up to 70% in return. We came up with, looking at how we shop normally, where we, in offline shopping experience, which is quite fun. We sort of, go to a high street, and then get the inspiration, and then find the product. We sort of, try it on, ask your friend's opinion you have with you, and then you make the purchase. But this doesn't exist online. Online, you go open 15 different tabs, browsing through sort of 15,000 products, and then trying to figure out what's the right product. And at the end, you order multiple sizes and you return. So at Orpiva, we go back, to fix the fundamental problem of data being broken. So we use a number of different technologies to sort of, to alleviate some of the pain points. So first, we use some of the linguistic sort of tools to sort of, detect some of the errors and remove it, rectify it, and we use state-of-the-art computer vision technology to have classification of what the product represents in terms of their style, color, and others. And then on top of that, we scrape some of the data from some of the brands, and we amalgamate all of these components to create a clean data. As a result, we can actually find the products, and all of our products, we aggregate over 15,000 brands. All of our products can be, or is featured with Find Similar, which you can sort based on the sort of style or color as you browse through. And this shows, like, from different brands and from different sort of preferences, you can select it and continue your journey. After you found what you're looking for, we have state-of-the-art AR technology where you can upload your picture and you can drag and drop some of the items on your body, and it would show you how it looks on your body, and you can get a perception about how these products combine together looks. And this is further enhancing the sort of high street experience, because in high street you can't just take something from some shop and try it with others and make your journey. So this is, in addition to sort of, high street journey, this is augmenting it further. We have another sort of experience at the end, which is, we call it social shopping. So some people consider social shopping as sharing on Facebook solely, but with this, actually, you can dial up your friend. It's like a Google Hangout kind of experience. You can dial up your friend and you can drag and drop some of the products or items, and you can share with them and get their opinion instantly. But this is one part of the story. There is, the e-commerce is getting ever more complex. There is 9.2 touch points before any customers making any purchase on any platform. So considering that, for instance, the social element, social is a big thing. 33% of millennials, they solely consume their products through social media. where we created one of the biggest influencer network, where we do audience development on top of that to sort of give them the exposure and give them the content which interests them. So that works nicely hand in hand, and since we launched 6 months ago, we had 14 brand premium partners, including Topman, Topshop, and Boohoo, and others, joining our team, where we sort of facilitate the key influencer which resonate with their brands through through audience analysis and driven by AI, and match the right influencers. These are some of the contents which is being created, where the user-generated content outperformed 57% brand-generated content. And we found that it's 7 times more engaging than traditional means such as Facebook advertising or Instagram advertising. That's how we make at Orpiva shopping fun again, bringing the high street shopping experience online. We believe fundamentally AI is new electricity. Without AI, your business is dead. And along the way, we help so many businesses and brands and our retail partners with deploying the AI and creating that, embedding that into their ecosystem. We are exhibiting at Startup Village. We are happy to sort of demo you further with our sort of core technologies moving forward. Thank you very much.